Welcome everyone. So in this video I'll share easy and healthy recipe to make hotel style chargah without frying and steaming. So the ingredients you need are oil 2 to 3 tablespoons, jeera powder and coriander powder each 1 tablespoon, salt according to taste, turmeric 1/2 teaspoon, black pepper and chaat masala 1 teaspoon each, juice of 1 lemon, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, Kashmiri red chili and red chili powder 1 teaspoon each, food color is optional, yogurt 150 grams, 1 kg of whole chicken. Make deep slits in chicken. Marinate the chicken with lemon juice and salt and keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. To prepare the yogurt marination, add all the dry spices and ginger garlic paste to the yogurt and mix well. Also add food color. Now add oil and mix well. Now rub the mixture on the chicken, in between the slits and inside of the chicken, and keep it aside for 2 to 3 hours for marination or overnight for better taste. Now in a baking tray, add water, about 2 to 3 cups of water, and turn on the grill side of the oven on high flame. After 4 to 5 hours of marination, rub the chicken one last time and place the chicken in a separate baking pan. Rub the leftover marination on the chicken and bake it for about 45 to 60 minutes on high flame. To prepare onion pickle, I am adding juice of half lemon to 2 medium-sized finely sliced onions, red chili powder, salt according to taste, and ½ teaspoon of vinegar. Give it a good mix and it's ready. After 60 minutes, the chargah is ready. Dish out and serve it with onion pickle and lemon slices on the sides. I hope you enjoyed watching my video, and for more such yummy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like, comment and share it with your friends and family. For more YouTube updates, follow me on Instagram. Links are in the description. And until next time, Allah Hafiz.